Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can turn your OnePlus 5T phone into OnePlus 6T. As you can see, this is your OnePlus 5T phone. It has a fingerprint sensor on the back, and here you can see OnePlus 5T. Now let's go through the steps. The first thing you're going to need to do is you need to get a pair of scissors, and you need to get a black tape. That's all you need. So what you need to do is cut a little bit of the tape and cut it in this shape. You need to be really gentle. And you want to get this nice curve. So once you have it, gently pull it out. You should get, this is what it should look like once you get that curve. Now make sure you gently place, this is the notch, make sure you put it gently right in the middle. You want to take the reference of the speakers you have out here. You want to carefully place the notch in the middle of the screen. Do it. Gently. There you go. There you go. This, make sure there are no bubbles. You remember the days when you used to put tempered glass, right? Make sure there's no bubbles, otherwise it's going to look fake. But this real thing. See? Here is it. Just look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? OnePlus. Here is your phone. Now, if you want to make it a little bit more realistic, what you could also do is get the piece of tape that you had left over. Just cut it in this way. Take the piece of the tape that you have, and what you need to do is gently cover. What you need to do is you need to cover the earphone jack. See? You got the notch. You do not have headphone jack, and you know what the best thing is? It automatically has a fingerprint sensor. You see? So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you turn your OnePlus 5T into OnePlus 6T. Thank you.